everyone, in today's video we are going to we are going to do some fun with ChatGPT. So let's start. So let's see how is going with the ChatGPT. ChatGPT, yeah. I know, yeah. Yeah. Let's just dive into it. Yeah. Yes. We have to log in again. Just a minute, guys. I'm just logging in again. So guys, we are back again. So let's start. So what should be search first? I think what they are giving. Let's see. Remember this? What do you do? So let's give them a Let's give them a website to make. So what should we make? You guys, we are not live, that's why you guys cannot suggest. So let me just remember what website. Yeah, make Windows 11 online. Let me just search it. Yes, let's see. Windows 11 available online. I think it's not a stop. Yeah, it is suggesting. It is saying that it cannot make it. So let's make another type of website, like make a random website. Yeah, random website. By sorry guys, by mistake I've written website. I can provide you some steps. No, I don't want to create. Let us ask what is matter. Yes, stop यार, बहुत बड़ा इसके आंसर है. Yes, physics matter required. So sorry guys, some noise is coming from the background. Please don't take it so seriously. Oh, it's giving us such a good answer. Upgrade. No, I don't want to upgrade. So what should we search now? Let's search. What is? Yeah. Oh, they don't know. Actually, they don't know me. Yeah. Let's search about someone else. Who is Bill Gates? Oh, he knows. She knows about it. I don't know what she or he is, but yeah, she knows anything. It knows about it. Yeah, it is making such a big video. Yeah, I mean, such a big sentence. What I'm saying, it is a paragraph. Yeah. So what should we do next? Maybe I have a different type of question. That is ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? I don't think. Yeah. What? Starbucks or something else? Starbucks or McDonald's. Oh, it's giving a quite good answer. It is not comparing the things. Yeah. That's for today. So you guys can also go from this to this website and search different kinds of question after logging in ChatGPT. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.